Now, let's evaluate two whole number 2 over 3 divided by 8. Solution. Now, we'll write this mixed number as a fraction. And to do that, we'll have 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2, and then we keep the denominator, which is 3, divided by, now we write this whole number as a fraction, so it becomes 8 over 1. Now, if you simplify this further, we have 3 multiplied by 2 to give us 6, and 6 plus 2 will give us 8. So we have 8 over 3. Now, when we change this division sign to multiplication, we would flip the second fraction. So this becomes 1 over 8. Now, we multiply the numerators and we have 8 times 1. And for the denominator, we would have 3 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 1 gives us 8. And 3 multiplied by 8 will give us 24. Now, when you look at this, they have a common factor. And the highest common factor in this case is 8. So we divide numerator by 8 and also divide the denominator by 8. Now, 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. And 24 divided by 8 will give us 3. Therefore, our final answer is 1 over 3. Thank you.